Okay guys, today I'm going to show you best way by far to make money online, and that is by doing what you love to do, and that is by listening music. And actually I'm going to show you a company that will pay you up to $15 per song that you listen. And only requirement for you is you actually must have Spotify playlist. And it is not a problem because you can simply come here on Spotify and you can click here on sign up and you can create a free account on Spotify, and all you have to do is just start creating your playlists and start adding songs to your playlist. And after you do that, what you need to do, you need to come to this website, and here you can see these guys work with more than 25,000 independent and major label artists from all over the world. And here you can see they work with some really big companies like Rolling Stone, Fortune, Weird, NPR, Los Angeles Times, CNBC. So this is a trusted company. Here you can see they have more information, but actually this homepage, their homepage is actually intended for the artists. And we are not artists, right? So what we need to do, we need to scroll here and we need to click here on playlist creators, and you will come to this page here. Make money from your playlists. You literally just need to create a Spotify playlist, and you need to start adding songs to that playlist, and you can make up to $15 per song. And when you scroll here, get paid to listen and review music. Okay, here you can see paid per review. Here you can see qualified playlist curators can earn up to $15 per song review. So you can make up to $15 for every song that you review. Here you can see, I know that this is what interests most of you, instant payments. Here you can see request a payout at any time, and we pay directly to your bank account. So you can get payment whenever you want directly to your bank account. So it doesn't matter if PayPal doesn't work in your country, no problem, because you only need to connect your bank account with this website and they will send you money. Here you can see supporting the artists, discover new music. And when you scroll here, you can see they have more than 1,000 playlist curators. Here you can see how it actually works. It is actually really simple. Join our network, and then here you can see review songs. We send you a song to review based on your playlist genre. So you need to create a playlist based on your genre. So if you like for example rock, then add only rock songs to that playlist. If you like rap, then only add rap songs on that playlist. That is really important because based on that, they will send you songs to review, okay? And after that, get paid and grow your list. Like I said, you will make money by listening these songs, and also you will add them to your playlist because you actually like these songs. So you will even enjoy making money in this way, right? And here you can see, again, they work with some really big companies. Here you can see frequently asked questions, and to join their network, you just need to click here, become a curator, okay? And here you actually need to add some basic informations. You need to add your first name, you need to add your email, you need to choose your country of residence, choose just any countries wherever you live. As you can see, they work worldwide, so no matter where you live, you can actually make money by listening music, okay? And here you need to add your phone number, just add your cell phone number. And this is really important. You need to add your Spotify playlist. Now, how to find the link to your Spotify playlist? You can simply go here on Spotify on your playlist and then click here on these three little dots, and then hover over share and then click here, copy link to the playlist. Click here, go back here, and then just paste that here, and that's it. You added a link to your Spotify playlist. Click here on continue, answer on some basic questions, confirm your email, and that's it. You created your account and you can start making money just by listening songs. And actually, name of this website is Playlist Push, as you can see here. And these guys will pay you up to $15 per song that you review. Now, in order for you to increase your chances to actually get accepted is you need to add as many as you can likes and also followers to your Spotify playlist. Now, to increase your followers and likes, so what you can do is you can actually go on Facebook, and then here you can search, for example, Spotify playlist, and then click here on groups, and here you can find lots of Spotify related groups. And for example, let me just open one of these groups. So for example, Spotify playlist. When I open this group, this is a public group. Here you can see people are actually sharing their Spotify playlists in this group, and then other members of this group, they will actually listen to their playlist, and if they like it, they will actually give them a like, and they will actually start following their Spotify playlist. And in that way, you can grow your Spotify playlist followers. And after that, you can simply go back here and you can share your playlist in all of these groups. And you can also search for Spotify Exchange and stuff like that, groups related to that. And you can start sharing your Spotify playlist. And in that way, you will grow your Spotify playlist. And in that way, you will increase your chances of getting accepted on Playlist Push. And in that way, you can actually start making up to $15 for every song that you review and every song that you add to your Spotify playlist. And in that way, you will make money online by listening music, by doing what you actually love to do. This is a fun way to make money online in 2023. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.